Family, and this is our third Christmas dito sa company na to and with our department. I hope na yung napagdaan natin with 2013, sama-sama pa rin tayo this coming 2014. Sabi niya Angelica kanina, it's been a tough year yung 2013 sa mga changes, pero the best assets that we have is tayo yung people inside NNO kung bakit tayo nagstay ngayon, kung bakit tayo na-maintain yung operations ng NNO is because yung tao na sa loob ng NNO is just may mga changes pero meron tayong resistance pero andun pa rin yung cooperation at the later part. So everyone is appreciated dun sa acceptance ng changes, although may konting resistance, but we stand to submit then dun sa requirement sa atin, and just because of that, nandito pa rin tayo. We stay strong and growing pa rin, and tough pa rin. Merry Christmas!